Okay, so I have my Xbox here. It hasn't been plugged in for a few days. I took it with me somewhere. I don't even see anything about the PVR on the top. I know. I bought this Xbox for $20 to make gaming videos, which I'll be making again soon until the beta dashboard's off my main Xbox. So, it's fine. But this is what this Xbox does when you go to turn it on after it's like been unplugged or it's cold. It starts up and dies. Just gotta keep trying. It'll eventually start up and be fine. Up, almost. Come on. It's been like almost a week, so it's probably gonna do it once more. Yep. A little bit hard to get going. Maybe I can get that as a screenshot. And there we go.